Assalamu alaikum everyone. I'm just going to dive into Solana once again, and the progress for Solana is actually looking quite good, and something tells me that you've already bottomed out with Solana and you're looking to go to the upside, because there is a bullish pattern that actually is forming up, and this is going to be the first bottom and the second bottom, and this is known as Adam and Eve double bottom. Because let's go into Google and I'm going to tell you how Adam and Eve double bottom looks like and why do we call them Adam and Eve double bottom, just like that. All right, so here we are, and this is what we're looking for potentially, or something like, is it this one? Just a minute, just a second. Yes, this one. So what you see here is an Adam and Eve double bottom, what Solana has actually made. Why? The first bottom has a lot of candles. Okay, so many candles, 1 2 3 4, like 8 to 10 candles right there. But the second bottom is narrow. One was wide and one is narrow, just like that. So this makes it an Adam and Eve double bottom, and now you're looking to go back to the neckline and potentially break the trend. So here we are. So this is what I'm going to tell you. So that could have been your bottom right there, because you're making a double bottom. Okay, so from the top to the bottom right there, if this is going to be a neckline that you're breaking out, this is going to take you to $163, and that's positive, because you're now going to be breaking that big resistance point, a very large and long resistance point. But anyway, we're still looking for nearly 53% rise for Solana to go up there. And if you start to do that, what I'm gonna actually do is I'm gonna remove this line right there and remove this line right here. And what is there to talk about is that when you cross this level and go up to that place, I just want to check the fib retracements and what you're going to do about it, so that we can actually analyze where our bull market cycle top is going to be. So from the top here to the bottom right there, you're looking, just look where it takes you, guys. That double bottom takes you to the 0.618. You see that? How well are all these connected with one another? Wow, technical. That's the reason why I make this videos, because there's logic into the market. We are the ones who don't have logic. The market has a logic, by the way. And yes, it's but one thing is that we didn't break out of it, and this could also turn into an ascending triangle as well. You can make an ascending triangle nonetheless, and it could also be a double bottom or a W pattern like this. So right now, anything can happen in this point, and it's important to reanalyze your charts, and you can actually start to move to the upside, because Bitcoin is getting a bullish cross. Watch the update into the channel, and you're going to actually understand what I'm trying to talk about, that Bitcoin can potentially go to 57k, and it's going to mirror Bitcoin. Okay, Solana is going to actually follow Bitcoin footsteps. We cannot do anything about it, and it's okay. It's okay. It does follow Bitcoin footsteps. As long as you're winning, that's what matters. And that's it for today's update. I'm going to see you with the next one. Allah Hafiz.